Alright everybody, I'm making a film to video transfer using this Bauer projector, which has a small little surface which projects film through, and it's picked up by a camera on the other side, if you can see. So what we're going to do now is prepare for the next scan. I got a film canister 50 feet, and I want to keep the writing on the box for the customer so that they know what their movie is about. So I'll put that over here on the scanner and push the button, and then the scanner takes off, gives me a digital output on the computer. Next, I gotta load it up into the reel. I'm gonna rewind it and put some cleaning solution on there. Also, I'm gonna check the gate on my camera. This is the view I get, and I'm making sure there's no hairs. Just for the fun of it, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of air. Make sure there's no gook or anything in there. So now that it's loaded up on the take-up reel, I'm gonna rewind it back onto the supply reel. I have here Vista Clean cleaning, lubricating, and preserving oil, and you just put a little bit on your film. I just glug, and then I wrap it around the film, rewind, and this takes dust and it lubricates the film a bit so it moves through the film path a little easier and doesn't get stuck. Okay, that's it. Now, time to load. It's an auto-loading projector. I leave the cover off so if it starts to jam, I can see it happening. Into the slot, I watch it go through. Everything seems good. Out it comes. Around. Auto-load. Slap. Okay, now I'm going to adjust the camera once really quick before I hit record. That means focus. 2 presses on the focus button. I get my timer ready to go. 2 minutes 40 seconds on the transfer. I run it. Get ready for record. Recording. Start timer. I check to make sure that the sprocket hole is lined basically at the middle of the green line there, so I know that it's consistent between frames. Checking the zebra pattern, make sure it's not washing out any facial features, that sort of thing. This takes about 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Actually 2:50. And then while that's running through, I'll package up the last reel I just put through into this box. And then what you get is some very raw files. They're just gonna, like, this is upside down and uncolor corrected, and a JPEG with the info off the box. I then later take it and process it in Sony Vegas. So that's my little talk about movie. So here's what the image off the scanner looks like. That way we can tell that this is Rocky Fort and Carol doing her slow motion routine. So this is what we get off the camera straight away. You can see it's a very raw image. We've got elements of top and bottom, so we're going to crop and flip over. Still, we have some problems with the color. Notice how it's very blue. This is Ektachrome film. So first let's correct the bottom. That's the blacks. Then let's do the mids. That way we can see the green. And now I add in the highs, and let's punch that up a little bit more to where we see a brighter image. That's what we have in our final. There you have it, guys. How to digitize film movies to share with your friends and family. So come to Mark's Movie House. I've got it all set up for you.